Yo, what's going on, J fam? All right, so I got a little something. I don't know if you guys already seen it. And you already know we got a little new toy. So we only have this electric mini bike and one gas one. We sold the 125 swap already because it was too fast for the people I ride. We still got the small little dirt bike here and all that, but here is the new build. Let's get it. So yes guys, we did end up picking up an electric dirt bike already. This is the Razor MX650 model, which I think is a top model, or is it the S650? I don't know, something like that. I think the only difference is like the battery, bottom tray, whatever. We got a couple things we got to replace. There's actually no power. It doesn't work at the moment. It's on. Nothing, no charger, none of that. But I'm going to be swapping the 1000 watt into this, and then we might get a little bit crazy and probably slap a different controller with the 3000 watt motor. And if I'm not wrong, there is a controller out there that you could tune yourself. Your delays, your output power, all that stuff is a little bit more expensive than the one that I had on this one, but it's gonna be much faster. And I'm hyped because finally I got the electric dirt bike and we're gonna make this one sick. So for the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking everything apart, getting everything prepped, because it actually needs a little cleanup. I'm debating to either paint these back to that sun yellow, like this type of yellow, or the frame, my bad. So I don't know if I should do it this color still, or if I should just wrap it in a different type of color like how I did this wrap, and that vinyl wrap, because I don't want to keep it basic. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this teardown, start taking everything apart, seeing what we got. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took everything apart. These are the things I'm going to be keeping, which is obviously the top plastics, the battery box covers, the fake gas tank, and then the chain guard. These are the stock components here. This is the controller, you got the throttle, the 3 batteries that made a 36 volts, and then you go ahead and have the 650 watt motor. But as I was looking, I noticed that that this was actually melted. Not this one, but the one on the controller. That's the only reason why I did this, to try to disconnect it. Because if you look here on the controller, right there, it was actually melted, and it was spliced here from it getting so hot. I don't know what they're doing or what they're trying to do, but the only things I'm going to be keeping is going to be this, the controller, the motor, and just the throttle itself. These batteries will be getting disposed. I might keep them. They said they're new, which, I mean, they do look new. they don't look old. So I might end up charging them, seeing if they have a, and see if I could balance, well, not balance, but see if I could charge them up, see how long they have battery life, see if the battery life's gonna last, see if they're actually worth keeping. And if so, then I'll just end up keeping them, and because why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this dirt bike, and let's get it. All right, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean this baby up, because this thing is disgusting. And yeah, this is how it sits now. Let's hope that it gets cleaner. Alright guys, so we went ahead and cleaned it up. I gotta run this brake cable through here, but there you go. Push this inside here. Damn. This goes in there. So it goes like that. Yeah, it makes more sense to be like that. Alright guys, that's gonna be the ending of this video. Stay tuned for next video stuff. Everybody's going eco-friendly, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's trying to save the environment now. But like I said, guys, stay motivated and let's get it.
Smoking gas, living fast, wearing velvet. Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty money going around, I'm not selfish.